Oh my God. Pasko na, sinta ko.
Papa,
You wanna be hot bongbong. Work will rise. I found the courage.
yes.
Oh,
Okay, di sino?
Merry Christmas, everyone. I want you to know and to live. Merry Christmas. Rather be that guy in the end.
Sabi kanina, Ganit daw. Ihada ko si Dayan.
Thank you so much. Hi, Merry Christmas. Want you to know that salad.
Layak na to. Wala lang. Def lang ako. Uy, def ka naman. Kiri din. Alam! Mas ano na ba? Patay, kaysa mag-def.
Thank you for the like.
Ay, pagmula yan. Def lang. Wow! Alam mo, mautakan mo buhay ako. Di na buhay.
Thank you so much.
Logan! Andaan! Mautakan mo buhay ako.
Hey, Mr. Steven. Mr. Steven.
Sakit!
14 people. Thank you so much. I'm definitely, No. Emily Chocho. Rika Jenna.
Def lang.
Ma'am, hi, Emily. Thank you so much.
Laos niya, dakot na rin
Good morning from Sweden. Have a nice day. Hi, Tommy. Have a nice day. Thank you for the like. Hello, Char. Terry J. Forrest. Hi, hello, Char. Hi. Sorry, the Nordic light dancing in the sky over Sweden. I think Sweden is one of the beautiful countries in Europe. It's a salad, not ice cream. Cheryl, sorry, may apologize. Why you apologize? Why you say that? You have make mistake. Seven likes. Thank you so much. Say hi, Babang. Yes. Derek Johns. Hi, share with me. Sure. I always want what you have. Oh, oh my god. Derek, look. Oh, no, 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 baby. Derek, no, no, no. No, 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 Wawa. No, 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 no. No, Wawa. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. Opo. Yeah. Oh my god. Hi there. How are you? I'm fine. Shake. Apay? You want bread? Hmm? Oh, yeah.
Hi.
G calling me. She's pretty like you. Thank you so much, Derek. Thank you.
Nay.
Narin?
Nay, hindi na ako.
Siyempre, sorry. Grapes? You want grapes? Oh my God. Give mo kay mama. Give mo kay mama ka mo. Dali, utagilin mo dito. Give mo kay mama, dali. Dito, dito, no. Hawakan mo to. Alda. No, hawakan mo to. No, 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 no. Give mo dito kay mama. Dali, ito, dito. Come on. Give mo kay mama. Dali. Yan. Ito na. She's
Kabuwat naman.
Rio de Janeiro. Hi, 27 people here. Douglas Ribeiro. Thank you so much. Send her home. Yeah. She's going home now.
Bata. Hello, bata.
Yeah, she wants grapes. That's why. She likes grapes. Ouch. You can send gift.
Hello. Hello, buddy.
You and your chicken is good. My God. Kuha ka na lang di grapes ha.
Oh, may grapes.
Kaya andang yun. Kuha ka na.
Nagbakal ka grapes.
Hugasan mo. Nagihan yun sa ano.
Ay,
Not her child. Yeah. Yeah, I like foot massage. Feliz Natal. Hi. No one you don't know. Huh? Thank you, 9 likes.
Oh, may star na.
$33 people here. Thank you so much. 10 likes. 33 people in the house. No matter. Yes. My God. Merry Christmas, Shake Man. Shake Farm. Send her super chat to say yes. Send me super chat. They are hot. Douglas Ribeiro. $32 people here. Thank you so much. You should send super chat more. My God. Douglas Ribeiro. Hi. Yeah, I'm Filipina, Douglas. Thank you. 40 people in the house. Hi, Arkan. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Gary. Linda. Douglas, thank you. Paano mo, paano mo nasabi yan, Gary Laderas?
Christmas. Uy,
Wow, good.
puro ng
Basta. Basta na lang nangyari. Hindi nga tayo nagkakilala. Uy, you want more?
One daw.
Give mo kay mama, dali. Give mo kay mama. Hugasan. Give mo kay mama, dali. Come on. Hugasan. Wala, nahulog. Lord Thomas Takaw, yeah.
Uy, no! 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 You!
37 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Hi!
Pasta your favorite? My favorite is fruit salad, vegetable. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Thank you, 47 people in the house. Thank you so much. I want you to know that it is control. I told them I want you to know.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you so much.
Uy, nakata. Ano mo nang patayan?
I told them, bem. Paulo. Hi, Paulo. Violet. Miguel Angel Zigara. Hi, Miguel. I want you to know that. Thank you, 38 people in the house. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, see who 55 people in the house. Thank you so much. 12 to suck. Paulo. Sim Paulo Maia. Okay. Nice to meet you here, Lomen Son Marak. I love you, madam. Thank you so much. Let's. Hello. Thank you so much, guys. 55 people in the house. Thank you. I want you to Thank you, Paulo. Merry Christmas, Manay. Salamat. Henry Manaw. Nice to meet you too, miss. Nice to meet you too. Piolet. Pero wala man, Gab. Gabre. 5K Gcash PD show ka. Bakit ganun? Pag Pilipino talaga, no, pag magbibigay, laging may kapalit. Alam mo, dito yung iba, kung punta lang dito, mag-send lang. Kasi bukas sa puso nila yung pagbigay. Yung ano nila. Pero yung ikaw, huwag ka nang magbigay. Kung marami kang, please lang. Kuya Jay, hindi ko kailangan ng mo. He lies. I know he lies. I know he lies because he want to send the Gcash, but I want to show something, so it's not. For me, it's like a scam.
Number.
Alejandro, hi Alejandro.
Gusto ako yung pag-trade.
If you want to help me or send me the gift, no need to do that. No need to say that because someone who willing to give the gift, just give the gift. Hit the like, guys. Cuerpazo, let's. Kasi may nagbibigay naman dito na wala lang, nag-send lang sila. Hindi kailangan ng ano.
Ah,
Talaga. 42 people, thank you so much.
di ba, di ba?
I want you to know that you're so beautiful here. Thank you. Thank you, Eric Thomas. Where are you from, Sir Eric? Douglas Rivero. Hi, Sir Douglas. Mozwao. Silva. Bunch of bullshit guys in here. They are broke. Key Hermosa Ilo Boneto. Alejandro Hello Boneto.
Nakading ka.
Rogerio. Oh my gosh. Beautiful woman. Thank you. Clive Patrez, Clive, very petite, yeah, very petite lady. Oh my god. Mi estás enamorando. Where are you from? Italy? Are you from Italy, Alejandro? Douglas from Brazil. From Brazil.
Yan man man yung
Douglas from Brazil. From Brazil. From Brazil. I want you to know. Douglas from Brazil. From Brazil. Thank you, Andro. Beautiful body. Thank you. Really? I want you to know that Babang! Oh my God! Yes. Chandra, what's your name, please? My name is Cheryl. Sheryl. Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Thank you to those hit the likes. What are you doing, guys? Merry Christmas, everyone.
Kahit bata pa ako, 70 man.
Hi, I'm from North Carolina, Torrance. Hi, beautiful from Clive Haters. Yeah.
Hindi na ako makaibigan.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Why are you like that? Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thank you, Clive Haters. Chandra.
Hindi ko alam.
How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Hali na kamo sa ano? Paghuna ako, mahali pa lang kamo, nabot pa lang kamo. O paghuna ako, mahali pa lang kamo. Thank you, 33 people in the house. Salamat.
Kaya kayo. Taga-saan ka kayo? Kaya malayo. Dayon mo kami sa malayo. Kaya na lang pag-ikarin. Padarang ko kasi binibigay sa akin gulo. Hindi ko.
I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. Oh my God.
Wala, di ko. Ay, kanina.
Oh my God. What is this? Ew. Oh my God. Oh my God, another one. Yeah.
Sorry, mamaya.
Another one. You look like you're just turned 21. Really? I'm turning 41. Thank you, 31 people in the house. Thank you so much. I need to change this. I don't like this texture. Oh my God, I don't like this. I don't like. Your age? I'm 40 years old. Guys, see good comments. Yeah. I'm 40 years old. 404.
Gusto ko lang. Hindi ako sanay-sanay nito. Alam mo, single drain niya. Uy, mag-mila ka lang. Marunong Nabagot na ako lang. Iban ko na lang si ano. Sabi niya sa yung Thomas. Ito yung Thomas. Wala, di ko bilang yung kago. Look.
Stop being big so I'll buy me. Stop me. Your age? I'm 40 years old. So why is that gorgeous woman like you are not married yet? Because they don't want to marry me. I don't know why. Are you married? I'm not married. I'm not married. Not yet married. Peace. No. She knows why.
Nice. Nice. It's this.
Yes. They don't want to marry me.
Yun lang yung mas lala.
Hi, madam. Ba't ko itatry? Ako nagtatry sa mga gabi. Bawal dito ang baliw, no? Jose Luis, hola. I like ito lang ako, no? I'm Filipina. Filipino. I'm from Philippines.
Iba na ako kasi kay Lisa.
Thank you, 25 people.
Ayaw ko maglabas ng word.
27 pala. Alejandro, oh my God, you're so toxic. Guys, stop with rude comments or we will end this live. Thank you. What are you eating, girl? Boko salad, yes. Boko salad. Bakit? Why are you crying? Bakit? Why are you crying, Bobo? You want? Thank you, 16 likes. Thank you so much.
Isa, name mo lang.
I made that also for Christmas party here in Washington State. This is Sylvia. Hi, Sylvia. Rod Hermoso. Thank you, Sylvia. You are a very beautiful woman. Thank you so much. Tiago, where are you from, Tiago? Merry Christmas from Portugal. Thank you so much, Tiago, Portugal. Nice to meet you here, Tiago. Thank you, 17 people. Thank you so much.
Kuya!
24 people. Thank you so much. Ew, I don't like this.
Dapat hindi kita malamisa sa Kayo pa kami dito sa
I'm from Philippines. And you, I think you need another one.
Alas 2.
You have a very beautiful, perfect life. So beautiful. Thank you, Chago. I love people from Philippines. I have friends here in Portugal from Philippines. Thank you, Chago from Portugal. Oh my God! I want you to know. Sure that Philippine people are so kind. Thank you. Thank you for 20 likes. Thank you so much. Nice one, Langga. Top April. Taparel. Thank you. Scott Hembre. Good evening, sister. Thank you, Scott. Afternoon here in the Philippines. Come to Portugal and I will marry you. You are cute. You will marry me because I'm cute. You and I. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. And thank you 34 people. Can you Can you send the gift? Matindi pa ang kailangan natin. Matindi ang pangailangan.
Yung son, butter pizza yun mo. Ay, yung son, ating daw.
Sabi magkakating labi, hindi naman totoo. Sino may sabi magkakating labi, hindi naman totoo. American living in Angeles City, Pampanga. Says hello, beautiful. Merry Christmas. Hi, Patrick Dyson. Thank you, Sir Patrick Dyson. Welcome to my live stream here on YouTube. Obviously, believe you, it's much more than cute. But I was joking. One thing for sure, I would love to meet you. Thank you, Chago. Chago Simons. Won't happen. Thank you, Chago. Hey, greetings from Costa Rica. See, this is Spanish, please. Spanish, please. Okay. I don't speak Spanish. Chago Simos. You said it very well. Chago Simos. Maligayang Pasko po. Maligayang Pasko. Merry Christmas po. Coral Vida. George Gomez. Cornelius Joseph, your African American friend, would like to wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you, Cornelius Joseph. Oh my God, he's saying my name that way is so hot. So hot. Oh my God. OMG. Marcolito Torres. Thank you so much for watching. I need to end the live. Thank you. God bless you more. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. You are gorgeous. I subscribe. I don't want to lose you now. Thank you, Chaga. Thank you so much. Hit the likes and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you later. See you live again. I do live again. Thank you. Bye-bye.